Have you seen any interesting aspects of Korean culture in Korean TV dramas or movies? Have you searched for information on Korean culture on the internet and felt disappointed after finding only photos of kimchi and hanbok? How about learning about Korean culture with a book? This book is Sejong Korean Culture. Sejong Korean Culture is the official textbook of the King Sejong Institute, which has 172 branches in 56 countries. As you can see, this textbook is thin and long. It also has a lot of photos and drawings to make your learning experience easier and more pleasant. This textbook is composed of 8 chapters. You can learn about various aspects of Korean culture, such as how to greet people, Korean food, and tourist attractions. Let's take a closer look. In the chapter called Public Transportation in Korea, you can learn about the types of public transportation that Koreans often use. You will be introduced to Korea's buses, subway systems, and the KTX. The chapter explains how to take the subway and transfer from one subway line to another. There is also an activity where you look at the Seoul subway map and write instructions on how to get to a particular destination. In addition to the Sejong Korean Culture textbook, you can also enjoy videos about Korean culture. There are videos that will introduce you to K-pop, Korean food, and tourist attractions. Learn about Korean culture with Sejong Korean Culture now. Enjoy a more vivid experience of Korea.